What is good, YouTube? Charon FX back. Just know this video is the continuation of my last video, alright, which was episode 8. This is the continuation of episode 8. So make sure you watch this video to the end because it's a life-changing video, man. It's an eye-opening video for y'all. So make sure you watch till the end. You get me? And also don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends and family. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, let's just get to business. So looking at GBP CHF once again, alright? In my previous video, in episode 8, I taught you how I cut this move. Yeah, I taught you how I cut this move. So in case you want to know how I cut this move, go back and watch episode 8. I explained, I broke it down for y'all. You get me? But in this episode, which is episode 9, I'm going to teach you how I cut this move right here. Alright? I'm gonna teach you how I cut this move in this episode. You feel me? Good. So now let's go to the H1 time frame. And let me put you on game. Alright? Let me give you all the sauce. Alright? So now let's go to the H1 time frame. Alright, so coming down to our H1, alright? After price made this bullish rally, like I said, if you wanna know how we cut this rally, go back and watch episode 8. Alright, so after price made this bullish rally, what did it do next? Some of y'all gonna say it consolidated, right? Price started to consolidate. Do y'all get me? What did I say price did? It started to consolidate. When we say consolidate, it means price started to trend sideways. You get me? But from my experience, looking at the way price was consolidating or looking at the way price was trending sideways, I could see a chart pattern form. I could see a pennant chart pattern form. You get me? So now let's identify that chart pattern. So we have this trend line from here to here, and this trend line from here to here. You get me? That was a chart pattern that formed. Alright, so after this chart pattern formed, what was I looking to do? I just waited for price to break that chart pattern, or I just waited for price to close above that chart pattern. You get me? So what did price do next? Or the price close above that chart pattern? Yes, price closed above the chart pattern with this bullish candle. Alright, price closed above, or price broke the chart pattern with this bullish candle, which is a momentum candle, giving us an indication that price is about to rally to the upside, or the bulls are still in control. You get me? Good. So after price broke out of the chart pattern, what did I do? That was when I entered. That was when I went in for buys, or that was when I went in for longs. You get me? Good. So after the closure of the candle, I entered the trade, placed my stop loss, risked about 20 pips. And where did I know to put my take profit? Y'all gotta understand one thing, that when it comes to trading, alright, trading is a work of art. That's what y'all gotta know. That's what your gurus ain't telling you, that trading is a work of art. Alright, and you gotta develop that eye for it. What did I say? Trading is a work of art, and you have to develop that eye for it. And how do you develop that eye? By spending a lot of hours on the charts. That's how you develop that eye. Again, so like I was saying earlier on, where did I know to put my take profit? Alright, all what I did was, since this was the first leg of price before it consolidated, I knew that after the breakout of this chart pattern, price was going to duplicate the same leg. Alright, and looking at this bullish move gave us 150 pips. Yeah, 150 pips. So I knew price was going to move 150 pips. You get me? Good. So after the breakout, all I did was to clone this price range. Okay, yeah, all I did was to clone this price range and put it at the closure of the breakout candle where my entry was. Okay, good. So after I put it right there, this was where I knew price would get to before it finally collapses. Okay, as simple as that, which gave me a 1:7 risk to reward ratio. A 1:7 risk to reward ratio. Risking 20 pips to make 150 pips. You get what I'm saying? As simple as that. So after we caught this move, we knew price had broken the higher time frame structure, which is the H4 structure. We knew this bullish move right here. This bullish move has broken the H4 structure. So now we've moved from bearish to bullish. On the H4, we've changed structure. There's a change of structure, or there's a shift of structure, or there's a break of structure on the H4 time frame. We are no more bearish, we are now bullish. Do you get me? Good. So now let's go to the H4 and let me show you what I'm expecting coming next week. So coming back to our H4, what do we see? Or what do we realize? We realize there's a change of structure or a break of structure. We realize after price created this higher low, what did it do? It broke above its previous lower high and created a new higher high. Okay, which caused the break of structure. Do you get me? Good. So going into next week, what we are expecting price to do is to come back into its lower high zone. We expect price to come back or to retrace into its lower high zone and retest its lower high as a support. Okay, and bounce back to the upside. So that's our first setup. That's what we'll be looking, or that's the first place we'll be looking to take our trade next week. In case that doesn't happen and price breaks below the zone, we will expect it to come into its higher low and bounce back to the upside. Do you get me? So that will be our second setup in case price comes into that zone. But in case price closes below that zone, it means price has gone from bullish to bearish. It means you are now bearish. You get me? So if price closes below the higher low, all what you expect price to do is to retest this higher low as a resistance and continue back to the downside. Alright, so these are the possible setups we should expect price to do coming next week. Do you get me? Good. And before I forget, in case any of you is interested in my one-on-one mentorship, DM me on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. DM me on Instagram at CharonFX. And also don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, drop a comment, and turn on post notification before you click off this video. So I would like to end my video at this point, man. See you in the next video. CharonFX, I'm out. Peace.